What's up, y'all? What's up? Welcome back to my channel, guys. So I got a good video for y'all today, y'all. It's the birthday little bash for my sister-in-law. We did a boat ride, we did a pool party. Like, it was lit, y'all. So I forgot to do my intro. Go ahead and flip it over to the video. Like I said, I hope y'all like it. I hope y'all enjoy. It's summertime shy. Let's get it. Birthday girl, I'm just getting a shot. Hey, birthday girl. Boy, look. We outside, bro.
Oh, yeah.
We outside. Baby needs to come on.
Hello, live.
Oh, you don't like, I hope y'all doing the video.
I'm in the, I know what I was going to say.
Oh, everything. Everything. What? Y'all, we waiting on Big Baby. Look at him. Look at him. Look at him. Look at him, y'all. Look at him. Y'all ready, what? Look at him. Look at him, y'all. This man slow.
You can't go there.
This water stank.
Damn, not the water stank. Hold on, let's see. Oh, it's a little steep now. Goddamn. Oh, hold on. Wait a minute. Don't say that, Big Baby, don't say that. Oh, yeah. Oh, that's cute. Oh shit! Oh, hold hands.
Oh my God.
Hold hands, mama. Oh yeah, we on here.
This the carnival boat.
This is beautiful.
Why y'all gonna get in the
Thank
shade
you.
in the back?
Damn, we got hot ass seat.
Alright, I'll take over the front.
I mean, I could sit on this. Oh shit!
Oh,
Baby, look.
oh, this leather.
Baby, look. Hold.
Go forward.
Yeah, we on this wall.
Safety procedures then, you have the boat in place there. You've also got a fire extinguisher behind.
Oh, that's a big ass dragonfly.
Also there. We've got life jackets up here at the front underneath the seats if you need them. Park the shed in the road.
Okay. Is it locked? Wait, what?
Right hand side. Larger vessels have right of way, so it's not big enough, they're not strong enough. So when you see the gate locks, that's your signal to do a U-turn. You're going to come back up the river walk, back to this intersection. You'll take another left, that'll bring you south, down towards Willis Tower. When you see Willis Tower, you're going to do another U-turn, and you're going to come all the way back up here to us. That should take you your 2 hours. Up here, go to the rest of it here, and then we let you off again. No problem. We've got a speaker there. Yeah. Any questions then before we let you go? No, that's it. Y'all got a full load salt? No, we don't play coolers.
Oh. No cool.
Who made the reservations there? We'll just get you a sign there at the bottom.
fucked.
No cooler, no ice.
Look, shit.
Y'all get two apiece.
Put it in your mouth, put the drink in it, swish it around. Shit. We're gonna make it work. That ain't gonna fall, is it? That's not gonna fall. Look, we fucked up. We fucked up over here. No shade. No shade. They got the shade. Look, y'all, gas bowl. We had to move the ride. Hello, hello, hey y'all, hey, hey. We lit, y'all. We outside, y'all. Wait a minute, who? Oh shit! Yep.
Oh, you got it there. She is.
Oh, she did? Oh, I did. I'm gonna have to run it back. Ooh, they outside showing the ta-ta. Why all these damn seagulls wanna be in the way? Big ass fish. Damn. That's a savage. Yeah, oh damn, we got traffic ahead. Damn. Get their ass over.
They finna turn y'all up.
It do. It feels lovely. Head out. Let's. Damn. Rocking our baby ass, boy. Oh my god. Oh. Hey. Everybody be still.
Right, we gotta level the boat out so people go to the front.
Yeah. Wait, baby. Wait, don't we supposed to hit the river walk or is this the river walk? That way? We out here, y'all. We out here. We outside, y'all. We outside. Hey. Look, motherfuckers. Damn, they just chilling. And then ain't shit in here. Damn, for real. Yeah, look at motherfuckers outside. Everybody outside. On everything, it is. Y'all let it too. Hey. fuck?
So we got the road around this way all the way to the back.
You tell me, I don't know how to. I don't know what the fuck we're doing. The fuck? We threw that bitch. Fuck they talking about. I mean, y'all in the back.
Hey, what the fuck?
Fuck you people. Hey, don't worry about all that. What you talking about? Went through about 8 garages to get through this bitch. Should I? Where the hell you going?
I want look at
What the fuck? I'm nervous. The fuck going on? I'm nervous. Oh shit. Oh God, that's not like why he's running. Why he's running like that though? Hello, hello, baby. What's up, baby? Hey, what's up? What's up? Hey, Jessica. How are you? Y'all cute. Oh, I'm sorry.
Thought you wasn't coming. I thought you lied.
I didn't say I wasn't coming. What are you talking about? What?
He just fucked this stuff over.
Wow.
Cause he went to the deep end. He went to the deep end.
Jumping up. That's when I go on the other side of the car, right?
He went to the deep end.
Go. Oh my bad. Let's see, Michael.
I stood by my chain for my people in the water.
See, Mikey don't play with that water gun though. They ass want to play with this water gun. Is it cold?
No, just because it's warm.
It's. I'll put my shoes right here.
It's deep over there though, so I ain't going over there.
No, I don't want to go that deep. I'll put my shoes right here.
Cause bitch, I'm gonna sit right here. I don't care. I don't want to get in the water. Y'all crazy. I want to sit here and look cute. Get over here. Like I'm gonna sit and talk to my cousin. Oh, it's them sisters.
It do.
Oh, you want me to show me?
Oh shit, my bad. I'll put it over here. Oh, that look at that. Need to hop up on there.
This bitch is getting comfortable.
Me too. I'm gonna get in. I'm gonna get in a minute. I'm finna get in a minute. Michael. Damn, where they come from?
Wait. Come back to me.
We got seats.
You gotta come back to me because I ain't getting
I ain't seen the floaties.
Come on.
No, everybody brought their own clothes.
Oh, damn.
Come on.
I ain't bringing shit. I ain't bringing. She will. What he trying to do?
Fuck it, Mike.
Hold on.
It's warm. Wait, you gotta take that off.
I don't do for
You gotta take that off.
You gotta take that off.
Too heavy.
Don't be too heavy.
Too heavy, cuz, nigga.
Oh, my watch.
Wow, yeah.
Just bring it.
Hey, that's Tiara.
It's so tired. Hey.
I'll turn her on. That's Tiara. I gotta turn the camera around. Okay. Yeah.
Oh.
That's what I stepped down and then I Woo, shit. It's a little good shit.
It is, but
It's a little
it's not coming on.
Ain't got a shot. I ain't got a shot.
Me either. Damn, I forgot. I jumped in the water with it. Mom! You got a cup? You got a cup? I was gonna bring up some shot.
Hey, shoot his ass.
Wait a minute. Shoot him.
He played too much.
Oh, I'm drowning you two. Shit.
Hold on. Let me stop this. Michael. He in here, boy. Look, see. Every time. Look.
Every time I get a shot.
Look, yeah.
It's the third shot out of here. Every time I get a shot,
You too, ma'am.
You don't know what it is?
I wasn't mad at you. I was there.
No, I understand. It was hot. Well, we didn't know that. I didn't know you was in the car. I didn't know she was there. We didn't know until it was time to.
I'm like, oh my God, we all cannot, we ain't gonna make it. Not for an hour. I'm not gonna make it.
Mikey, do not hit your head, bro.
Michael! Oh.
I just fell in the water, bro. Shit.
Say something. Say something.
Put my weed back.
I put it in my bag.
The shot.
I need a lighter.
And then the jello shots nailed because didn't nobody beat you. But that's okay because that means they strong when they get y'all.
Yeah, motherfuckers. Ooh. That's just straight
We
liquor.
need to go get them.
That's straight liquor.
We finna take jello shots.
Come on.
We finna take jello shots. They know they nailed it. That means they strong.
He was trying to pull you in.
Run out west.
Go get the green jello shots.
I know what I was doing. Run out west.
Yes. Clap for the heavyweight champ. Me. But I couldn't do it all alone. We. Young money crazy. Now take pencil.
Yeah, I tucked it under the towel. I tucked everything up right under the towel. How you gonna get on here?
I want to sit up here and take a. We should sit up here and take a picture.
Wait. Let me put your leg up here and then get on.
Yeah, I'll sit right here on the edge.
Oh, you ain't get up?
Lolo, you don't want to get up here and take a picture? Like on the edge.
It's slippery.
Oh, Steve got the basket. You can get one. I just grabbed some.
In the pool
And let it flow. Let that bitch flow.
Stop that. Them bitches melted. Get up there.
Ashley.
One down.
Hold that in.
Come on, Lulu, all that ass. I don't know. You better hope it. Michael, why? Michael. Aww. Look, I got squashed too right here. Yeah. Bro, I got. He just gave me the blunt and took off.
Yeah, what?
Come on, Michael, please. I can't swim either. Come on, Michael, don't do that.
Don't do it.
That's one of my members, man.
Have that juice. Fuck you.
That's one of my
Hello, big baby. Well, I already took my shot.
Oh, I just hit my toe. Shit.
Rashad, don't touch me. You don't make it touch me. I'm touching my hair.
You hit your toe.
Where did this come from?
That's the pool thing. I don't know. I don't know.
No, thank you. No, get my hair wet.
I don't want to get my shit wet either, but fuck it. I gotta work, but I'll try about 4 times.
That's what we should be doing.
Oh, okay, look.
I got the rest of the week off, baby.
Who got a lighter?
A lighter?
Yeah.
I gotta go at 4:30.
Lean back. Blow. Lean back. Blow.
My phone is gonna die. My shit finna die.